Hello, Chad. Hello, Chad.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing today?
Not too bad. How about yourself?
Just fine. Have you tried the test bench?
The test bench? No, I haven't had a chance to get to it yet.
Okay. Vitali,
Hey, good morning, Professor.
good morning. Have you tried the test bench?
No, I'm going to try it on one of the simpler AND gate circuits instead of the complex one because I ran into some issues as well.
Okay.
I'll do it on a
Please
simple
keep
one,
me posted.
and I will let you know.
Yeah, let me know what
Okay.
you're going to find.
That sounds good.
I found some old files and I tried them. They are running perfect. I don't know. There is something missing.
Yeah, with Cordis, it is a little tricky to find out exactly what that one thing is.
Yeah. Maybe there is. I got this handout from the internet and I folded it. It worked. But now I don't know why it is not working. Maybe you can find another handout or a video clip about how to do it. We are waiting few minutes for the other to join. We'll give them 3 more minutes. I believe we may start now. one of the handouts that I gave you, this PowerPoint about counters. This is from PE 133. And the counter has, for example, this 3 bits, least significant bit, most or highest significant bit to the left. It starts from 0, 0, 0. Then it is 1, 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 0. This is second. The first one, the first is 2 to the power 0. The second, 2 to the power 1. The third is 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 1, it is 2. That's why I put here 1, 0 to the right, 0 to the left. What about number 3? It will be 2 plus 1, 3. That is 1, 1. If you look at this, you can see the least significant bit. It changes all the time. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. What about the second bit? 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. The last one, it is 4 zeros, 4 ones. If we have 2 to the power 3, it will be 8, 0, 8 ones. That is how we are counting. This is the timing diagram of how it would look like. Least significant bit, most significant bit. This one is changing all the time, and this changes every 2 times. That is what you are going to see on the waveform generator when you build the counter. I can build it using JK flip-flop or D flip-flop. And when we do it with this JK flip-flop, if I have the J connected to the K, whenever I get a high here, this will be high all the time. The output will flip, whatever the state is. So suppose that the output is 0. Now, when I give a clock, the output will flip. Another clock, another flip. What are we taking here? This is the Q naught, the inverse of Q. I am feeding it as a clock. This is going high, this will be going low. And this will be the clock of the next cycle. Please note that I need rising edge. So I will wait for another clock. I'll wait for another clock to have 0, so I can have here high. This high will flip my clock. That is what we want to get. I want this second significant bit to flip after 2 clocks. To flip after 2 clocks, that is how it would be. And this one, every 2 clocks, it will flip, and it will give me output here. And of course, I am feeding it to the third stage. The third stage, as you may guess, it will never change unless the clock is changing. This one waited for 2 clocks to flip. This one will be waiting 4 clocks to flip. Every 4 clocks. That is how I may build it using JK flip-flop. But in our case, it will be simpler because we are going to do it in an equation as you did it in homework 1. This circuit, it suffers from propagation delay. Here, yes, this will flip, but it takes time. It doesn't flip instantaneously. It takes a little time. What about this one? The time is added. And this one, the time again is added, even if it is infinitesimal, but there is time. That is what you can see here, propagation delay. With our counter, we're not going to have this propagation delay. There are many counters that are listed in this one, and I'm not going to go through the chapter because I'm going to leave it for you. If you are interested, you may read it, but we are going to see up-down counter that we are going to use. We are using software, so I don't have to worry about this complex circuitry. I can use up-down counter. Up means counting up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counting down 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Owen? Page?
Yes, Professor.
My question, I'm counting and I have 3-bit counter. I'm starting at 0. What will be my endpoint? I have 3 bits. I'm starting at 0, going up. What will be my last or my terminal count?
Would it be 0?
What?
Would it be 0?
No, the first is 0. The highest count that I can count. The highest number.
111.
111. What does it mean? 111. You have it here, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. What will it be?
What is 111?
Here, I have 2 to the power 0,
7.
2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. The last one will be 111. This is binary. I need the equivalent decimal. 111. What will be this number?
It'd be 7.
1, and this is 2, and this is 4. It will be 7. So I counted from 0 to 7. That is 8 counts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last is 7. Cameron?
Yes, Professor.
I have my counter and I'm giving it endless clock. I started with 0, I reached 7 or 111. The next clock, what will it be? I cannot go higher.
It'll loop back around to 000.
Yes, excellent. It will go back to 000. This is our homework 2. We are going to start working on it. 4-bit shift register, 16-bit shift register. Since we have spoken about counter, I need you to build 8-bit up counter. I believe we had it in homework 1. We had this before in homework 1. And the input will be clock. Upon the rising edge, I'm going to increment the counter. We had the program, and I believe it is running. Now I need to upgrade it or update it to take care of 8-bit counter. And I believe we have reset or enabled, so we need to make sure that we have a reset. And the reset should synchronously reset the counter. Synchronously reset the counter. Vitaly? Hello,
Yes,
Vitaly?
Professor. Yes, sorry, Professor.
What does it mean, synchronously reset the counter to 0?
That means that there's a clock input. So once you reach your maximum bit, you're going to reset to your least.
No. This is reset signal. I am giving from the outside reset signal. If I hit it, it should synchronously reset the counter to 0. It will, no matter where I am, suppose I am counting, I reached 5. When I hit reset, I'm not going to go to 6. I'm going to go to 0, 0, 0.
I see.
But I'm asking about what is meant by synchronously.
Does that mean it's a clock triggered? So if the rising edge of the clock is high?
It should be included under the clock.
Yes, okay.
It should be part of the clock. If it is asynchronous, that means I am outside the clock, as we had it in the homework 1 and in the previous lectures. So I'm gonna give you maybe 20, 30 minutes to work on this and get it running. Okay? Go ahead, please. I'm gonna stop sharing, and you are quite welcome to work together. Share the screen, ask others, show your program to others, whatever you like. The share screen is open for all of you. And you can, as I said, talk together, share screens. Thank you all. Go ahead.
So do you want us to work on that particular one or just start on the
No,
lab?
this particular one. We don't have a lab today. This week, we don't have a lab. This is our homework. We're going to do it now.
Okay. No, I meant, should we start at the first of the lab, or did you want us to start on that one, last one you were talking about?
What lab do you want to start?
No, the first problem in this lab.
This is a homework, not a lab. This is a
Okay.
homework.
The first problem in the homework.
I want you to start working on the 8-bit counter, 8-bit up counter, number 3. I am waiting to hear from you. Yes or no? Hello, Jim.
Yes,
Clear?
yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry, Professor. So you would like us to do the 8-bit counter first, not the.
Pardon me?
You would like us to do the 8-bit counter first?
8-bit counter, yes. Do right now, number 3.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Professor, I have a quick question.
Yes, sir.
The input, the reset input, it is a standard logic input, right?
Reset. Yes.
Yes. Is it just RST? Is that the?
Yes. RST, whatever you name it.
Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
So instead of the enable, we're using the reset, right? Or do we also have the enable?
No, no. The question is asking for reset. It did ask for enable.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, everyone. Do you still need more time?
Yes, Professor, just working out some errors right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Samuel Pusher. Samuel. Hello.
What's up?
You are done?
No. No, I'm not
Why?
done. I don't know. So I will show you what I've got. Hang on.
You had this program running before, correct? From homework 1, you have done it, yes or no?
No, I do not have that completely running. I only had half of it written by the time I submitted.
No, I speaking about homework 1. You had it running from homework 1 or not?
Negative on that.
Okay, show me homework 1 first. And have you done what we said before? You start in a new folder. Folder
Yes.
name the same as the entity name, everything is the same.
I have not put any of the code I compiled or wrote out into the new folders yet. I have not done that.
We have been here for 45 minutes. Why are you late? It shouldn't take that time. Show me what you have.
It's a hard program, I think.
Hard program, we have done it and you have a copy of it. I gave you the program. On my previous lecture on the PowerPoint, you have it. It is just to copy. Copy and paste. Vitaly,
Yes, Professor.
show me what you have.
Okay, I'm just fixing one error and then I got you.
No, show me what you have, then fix it.
Okay. Cameron has been helping me because I messed up my if statement, so I'm correcting it right now. Let me share my screen. This is what I have.
What if this other equals 0? On the following statement.
Right here.
Yes.
So
If reset is high, count will be 0.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Why are you using others go to 0? Delete
I
it.
got you. Okay.
Delete it. Count equals 0. No quotes. No parentheses.
Say that again.
It is over there. Can you see it? Else, what is?
Oh, yep. Silence.
This is else count equal
Oh, so-
counter plus one. Do you have double quotes around the one?
Yes.
Why? It is number one. How did you get these quotes?
Oh, I was working with Cameron and it seemed to work.
What?
I was working with Cameron and it seemed to work. So I was just trying to correct mine based on that.
Okay.
I thought when you added a increased a bit, you had to put a quote about the 1 or 0.
Yeah, that was the impression I was under as well.
Yeah, I think if you just add 1 is adding a numeric, but we're changing a bit. So I think you have to put a quote around the 1.
Okay, put the
And
quote
around
around the
the
one and
zero.
the zero, no problem. Add them. Add them, add the quote. Single quote, but no parentheses.
Let's try this. So this is where he had the others, and that's what helped the code. So I'm going to add that really quick.
What does that others do?
I'm not entirely sure, but Cameron was assisting me. I think he got some success, so I'm going to try it out. Oh, and I think since they're 8 bits, I have to write.
So it is 0 to 7.
Yes, exactly. That's true. Oh, I think it was the wrong name.
The wrong name is in this location only.
So my output is count, but the signal is counter with an ER. So I think I wrote that one wrong. Sure.
You are using the signal.
Yes, exactly. I fixed it. Now I'm using the signal.
And this count after the else, you have count equal counter plus one. It should be counter also.
Oh, you're right. You're right. It's a signal. Good catch. think I
What did you get when you put 0 assigned to 0
right here.
without other? Yes.
I believe you have to write the 8 zeros because there's 8 bits in this counter vector. The 7 down to 0. This is what it resets to. But I can try with just 1 0. Oh, I see. Let's try that. There we go. Professor, good job. Thank you.
Show it to me again.
Good job, Vitaly.
Thank you so much.
Show me.
That was
program.
all Cameron's help. He's a genius.
Okay, let's try removing this other to 0.
Removing
Just
this
to
right
make
here?
counter equal 0.
Okay. Cameron, have you tried just setting counter equal to 0?
Just try it.
Okay,
Remove it.
okay.
Run. Oh,
To 0 used but not declared for type.
okay.
So let's see. I wonder if here I could use the 8 bits because the other describes the output and 00000 like with the 8 is a string.
Okay. Put the 8 zeros. Yes.
So maybe we're not saving enough data storage for those.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Put the 8 zeros.
I think I'm probably missing quotations. Yep, here we go. Just fix that. All right, let's try.
Excellent.
That worked too, yes. So yes, okay, so you have to put it in double quotations, and if you just set the counter output, it has to list all 8 bits.
Yes, as you did here in double quotation on the signal, it should be the same.
Correct, yes, I missed that.
Yeah.
Awesome. I mean, yeah, thanks to Cameron, this works, but if anyone needs any help, I guess I can refer to this.
Can you all see this?
Yep.
I can like put a screenshot in the chat if that helps.
Okay.
Okay, let me do that. I need to stop sharing my screen. One second, I'll post it.
Now you need to work on the waveform generator. And you have two inputs, that is the reset and the clock.
Professor, I'm going to email you a JPEG of that screenshot because it won't
Can't you
post.
put it on the chat here, down here?
It won't post to the chat for some reason, and I'm not sure how to attach
Do
like a file to it.
you have my announcement? Can you reply to my announcement?
Yes, the most recent one on Canvas.
Yes,
Okay. Let me try.
announcement on Canvas.
Okay, let me try. Okay, I responded to your announcement, so it should be public.
Okay. Now please start working on the waveform generator.
I ask a question first, sir.
Ask.
You took out others become 0 and just put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 in there.
Yes, other doesn't have any meaning. We put here 8 zeros between double quotes.
Well, I'm confused because others is the command that says everything else except what we set has gone to 0. But you've set everything to 0 except what including what we've set, and that confuses me.
We need everything to go to 0. The 8 bits, we need them all to go to 0.
Okay.
We put 8 bits between double quotes. So 8 bits will be 0. That's it.
Okay.
Would you please check this? This is the counter that we had in homework 1. The counter we had in homework 1, and you should have submitted it. And all what you need to do is just here to expand the vector, make it 0 to 7. That's it. And of course, here you need to put 7, and here you need to add the other if statement that checks for the reset. It seems that you didn't do it right, or you copied it without understanding it. So please, everything is built on the other. We cannot ignore it. We are building a language. You cannot come to this week without finishing the assignment of the previous week. As you can see, if you know this and if you had done it right, it wouldn't have taken you more than 10, 15 minutes to run. That's it.
Did you want us to do the? A test on this 8-bit up counter?
Have you read this? Number 3. I am telling you the other one is 3-bit and this is 8-bit. So the difference is minimal. Have you done the 3-bit? The previous
Yes.
one in homework 1. And
Yes,
it was running?
what I'm asking is, do you want us to do a test on the 8-bit up counter that we just finished?
Yes, of course. You have to give it waveform generator.
No, I meant now, or do you want us to start in the other program?
Now.
Okay.
We are not going to build on mistakes.
So we're working on the waveforms for the 8-bit, right?
May I see your waveform generator? Hello, Chad.
Yes, Professor.
Your waveform generator.
Yes. So I wasn't able to get the test bench, but I was able to get the university waveform.
Yes, yes, show it to me.
It's not. I could try. Let's see. I don't know. So I did it on the lab computer. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. I can't share my screen because it's not on my. Yeah, I don't think you can see it.
No way I can see it.
Yeah. I could try to take a picture of it and email it.
But it is running?
It is running. Yes, Professor.
Okay. Who else with you in the lab?
Cameron, Paige, Owen, Jose. There's a few of us.
Oh, and you all cannot show me anything. Okay.
Well, I guess I can be the guinea pig. Mine doesn't work, so I guess you can piss on me today.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So I've got some errors here in this one. Let's see. Oh, gee.
Are you missing semicolon?
Probably.
Signal statement. Does it end with a semicolon?
Working, doing a double check and triple check, and still the semicolon seems to evade my search. Okay, let's see. That was that. Bloody hell. Okay, let's see. Oh dear, if statement.
Why do you have reset in the process?
This was the last counter, 8
No,
counter.
this one here, the process, I have clock and reset. Why do you have reset?
Because I'm doing the last assignment. Or
Yes, the last assignment was reset independent because it was asynchronous. Now this is synchronous. So clock reset is based on clock. So I don't put it in the process.
I see.
Please remove reset from the process. It will
Is
not run.
hang on, which assignment is this then that we're doing?
We are doing right now?
Yeah.
You are asking what assignment we are doing right now?
Correct.
Okay. Haven't we said that is homework 2, number 3?
Okay, hang on. Okay, let me get rid of this. So just the whole line or just, sorry,
I'm
I got,
speaking about process, clock, comma, reset.
I see.
I don't understand. Dr. Wally, you want us not to have,
No
Us-
reset at all in the process. No reset at all in the process. Remove
Okay.
it completely.
from the
Yes.
flip-flop 8-bit counter, huh?
Yes.
Okay,
Now, this one, you should understand the logic, not just to copy and paste. This one, it depends on the clock alone. The reset will happen when, if there is a clock. So I don't put it in the process up there. Now
Okay.
run.
Um,
Now read what is wrong with it. Read the error message. Maybe you can get something out of it.
Syntax error still if line 32 and line 28. 32, 28.
What is RST -1?
No fucking idea.
This RST -1. What is -1?
I think he really meant an equal there.
Please don't put a letter that you don't understand. If you don't understand it, ask.
Yes, sir. Professor, probably going to sound like an idiot, but I kind of need help with all of it here, man.
With what?
I feel like there's been like a breakdown in communication here, and I don't really know what's going on. I feel like I'm in the dark. So, all I understand is that we're trying to put an 8-bit counter. That's all I, as far as all I'm going off of is the assignment from homework 2 here. And I do believe you said you wanted us to work on the
No,
8-bit.
Number 3.
Okay.
Where is the homework?
Okay, the 8-bit, this one right here.
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
All right. And so based on the assignment post that you had put in the lecture for week 2, I was going off of the first D flip-flop with enable, as you were saying in the lecture. And this is all I got here. So I wrote that in. And then it looked like you didn't want 3 inputs, you just wanted 2 inputs.
Didn't you have a program that is called counter?
Yes, but I only have it on Word document. I don't have it built in the Quartus Lite, because last time I wasn't able to get it set up with the 16 point whatever it is.
I am speaking about the PowerPoint I gave you. Does it have the counter? Yes or no?
The counter would be in the week 1.
Yes, okay, week 1.
Yes, yes, sir. And then you had the binary post. in
Where
here.
is the counter of week 1?
All the way at the bottom. Hang on. Should be in here.
It must be there, and I'm sure
Yeah.
it is there.
We'll get there. We'll get there. I'm using a laptop keyboard here on this one, which isn't ideal.
Before the adder.
It's before the adder. Yep. Full adder. You had parallel adders, and then let's see, clocks, half adder. There we go. Binary counter. Binary counter. All right.
Did you do this
So
in the homework 1 or yes or no?
1 second. I will show what I got here. So homework 1. All right. So I was having trouble with the VDHL to compile on my computer. So I wrote everything in Word document for the binary counter. So based on the comments that you had said, this is what I've got.
Did
And
it
this is-
run on Cortex, yes or no?
No, I have not tested it
So you
on.
have to run this on Cortex before moving to any place.
Okay.
Last Tuesday, we met at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I showed you how to do it from the beginning to the end.
Mhm.
What did you do after that? Nothing.
Puking my guts out, but it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Sorry, I've got a flu too, but whatever. Who cares? So just copy and paste this in here. Here's what I'm saying.
If this doesn't run from homework 1, forget about this one.
Okay. Mm. All right. Mm.
And as we said on Tuesday, 7 o'clock in the morning, we said don't to copy and paste from one program to another. You have to copy and paste into Word file and close everything, and you open one court session. And this court session should be in the same subfolder that you are going to create, especially for this assignment.
Got it.
You are still taking the easy way, copy and paste and opening many sessions and nothing will run.
Yep, we did determine that was the best way.
Do you all hear what I'm saying? You cannot
Yes.
open more than court session simultaneously. You have to open one. And
Got
this
it.
one that is open, it should be in a subfolder, separate subfolder.
Can I ask a question about saving things?
Saving things in a folder under the same name at the entity name.
No,
at the
no,
same name
that-
of the file name.
that's not the problem.
Okay.
When I save things, when I save a program, should it have a dot something after it? Or can
it is done automatically.
What was that?
It is done automatically.
Well, I seem to be having trouble with mine because it's saving it. It's not saving it like it should. I have to go searching for it each time. Something's wrong with my automatic one. So.
You
Can
may
I
share the
ask?
screen. Jim, you may share your screen and start a program from scratch. Show me.
Oh, that's not the problem. The problem is after I save it. And
I want to see you how you start your program from scratch and you save it and you get something different. So you have to start from scratch and show me step by step. And
okay,
everybody will be watching.
can you see this?
No, no, I want to see a program from the beginning, not this one.
Okay,
Your
then I need to
counter,
close.
go to the counter, go to the counter, the one you showed me right now. Close this window. Copy and paste, copy all of this. Copy it all. You missed 2 lines. Control A. Control A. Control C. Now open a Word file. A blank Word file.
A what?
Blank Word file.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yes, open this one, anyone. It doesn't open any Word file.
No,
You have many open. Select one of the open ones.
You may need to just minimize Quartus.
yeah, that's what's happening. I have too many things open.
It doesn't matter. Go to start button. You get
Yeah.
work from there. What is this Quartus?
Can you see
Okay,
this?
new project.
Can you see this?
No, no, close Quartus, please.
Close what?
Now I need you to start a new subfolder. A new subfolder.
That's not my problem. I have everything in subfolders.
Okay, I want to see you creating a new subfolder in front of me. A new one. Now give it a name. No space, that's it. Okay. No big names. Okay, EE331, that's it.
I already have a folder 331. I can't do that.
Okay, open this folder. make another subfolder. Adder 8. Not EE31, Adder 8. Now start Quartz.
Now what?
Start Quartz, the program. Is it starting?
Can you see my,
No, you have to stop sharing and share the screen of Quartz. Or share the desktop. It would be better.
I don't,
Stop sharing and start a new sharing. Stop sharing.
okay, just a minute. I've lost my screen, so.
You are still sharing.
Yeah, but I can't see it.
Hit Alt Tab.
Hit what?
Alt Tab. Okay, that's it. Stop sharing. Alt Tab, it's going to take you to the screen where there is a stop sharing, the red one. With Alt Tab, you can navigate between screens. You select the one with the screen sharing and you say stop. Are you in the lab, Jim? Oh, finally. Now you start sharing the desktop, your desktop. I cannot see Quartz. New project.
Can you see it here?
Yes, new project.
Okay.
A small, A small. Did we put underscore? No, we didn't. No underscore, other A. The folder name should be the same as the name of the file, the same as the entity. Next.
The next question I had is,
Forget about the question you have. Now, the question I have, I want to see everything you do step by step. So far, I discovered that you are changing the folder name from the file name. That is the first thing I discovered. Still 10M50, name filter, 10M50. Now we take the first one. New. Now you paste. What are you opening? Nothing to be opened.
I was going to save it.
No, save it after we paste. Now save it. Not save as, save. It is giving you the name by default and it is VHDL file as you can see. Save. That is the default. If you go to the folder, you are going to see it. Go to the folder, please. Not from here, not from here. Go from directory, yes. Homework 2. Where you have it. Oh, you have it here.
Well, I have it here, but this, do you add it?
Those
Do you
are the
open
correct
it with this
things.
one, or do you open it with this one?
This is the project one. The one with the picture, the blue picture. This is the project when you open it again.
So a QPF file.
Whatever it is, this is the correct one.
Okay.
Okay.
So on my other ones, it hasn't been opening here, and that was my question.
Now let's go back to the program we are doing. Now, Control L to check if there is any error. Now, I discovered one big error. What is the entity name? The entity name, what is it?
Well, see, I'd had it saved under 8-bit counter before, and it
Okay,
worked fine.
let's correct it, make it adder 8.
See, it was working before. I only had the question about.
Okay, let's put adder 8. Now Control L. Uh, let's go to the entity. What is the end? End what? Should it be adder 8?
Doesn't really matter, but we can put that in.
Okay.
Well, I'll work on it and figure it out.
No, just here. We are missing a statement. This is the end of the process. Where is the end of the architecture? The end of the whole architecture.
I must have missed one line then when I copied it.
Okay, write it now. Hello, Jim.
Yep,
How are you?
I'm working.
No. Are you happy now?
It was working before.
Okay. Now it's working again.
Okay,
Now we need the waveform generator. Grid size, yes. No, make it 100, please. 100. Select all. Select all. You have those double arrows, the one below, the one below, the one below
What?
it, the double arrows. In the middle, double
oh,
arrows, yes, that's easier.
I generally put the reset at the top, but that's all right.
It doesn't matter.
What?
We can change it later. Can you drag the reset to make it up? Yes, from here. Will it drag?
No,
Okay.
have to
Now
go back
select-
one to make it drag, but
Cool.
that's all right. We can do it now.
Every 100. Reset.
Hmm?
Reset, you don't change the count. Reset this one. This is 0 all the time.
The reset is,
The reset, make it every 900. Can you see? I will start counting up to this point, then it will go 0. Now run. Make it other 8, the same name. No extension. Don't put any extension. Other 8. Other 8. That's it. Don't select anything else. Other 8. It is not counting anything.
I know.
Maybe you put the reset inversely. Go to the program. If reset is high, it is gonna start counting. It is not, when reset, if reset is high, then counter will go all to 0. Make it reset 0. If reset 0, instead of 1, 0. Compile and run. Now we go to our waveform generator again. Oh, you have this. You can do start compilation all the time because it's gonna do everything.
Yeah, I did. So let me see. I want to go back to,
Control L. It is open already. Control L. Control L. Oh yes, this person doing the whole thing again.
yeah, I
meant-
wanted to find my,
Okay.
Can I pull up my old university program via VWF?
Why are you generating a new one? There is one existing. Let's try it.
How do I find it? That's my question.
It is down there, both of them. Both of them are available for you.
So I'll look at the program now and see what I'm doing wrong. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Vitali.
Hello, Professor.
How is it going?
Can't complain.
Would you show me your waveform?
Yes. Let me just pull it up.
Okay.
Okay, can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so same idea. I just made my reset over here.
Hmm.
And then if you want me to run the simulation. Oh, so I actually started working on the 16-bit counter, the up-down one. And so I already saved my output wave. So it's on a different, you see it's on the counter 16 up-down, but this is the waveform for the 8-bit counter. So can I show you my Word document where I pasted it?
Oh, you didn't save the 8-bit and the 16-bit in different folders?
I did. I just closed my waveform simulation and I started working on a new folder for the 16-bit.
Okay, close all folders and start the 8-bit folder from to show me the program.
No problem. 1 second.
Okay. Hello, Samuel? Hello, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
How is it going?
Kind of like running into a brick wall, but it's going.
Would you show me, would you share the screen until Vitaly gets ready? Do you have any location of the error?
Okay, so Professor, for some reason, let me share my screen for you really quick. I just opened my files again to the counter
Okay.
8, and then this is the waveform, but it won't let me. For some reason, it's coming up with an error, and I wasn't doing this before. So if you want, I can
Make
just
a
create.
new waveform generator,
Okay, sounds good.
but you need to compile first. Compile.
Yes,
Control L, the main program.
I will do this.
Where is your program, Samuel? We lost it. Compile. Let's see what the error will be. Go up so I can read the error. Now let's go to the process. The process here, clock, comma, RST. We mentioned before that why? What are you doing? We need to remove the reset from the process. Remove the reset, please, RST. This one, yes, remove it. Backspace.
So that wasn't in the one that he showed. So
This one was in the one I showed you. Yeah, this one, this reset right in here, I used it because I had asynchronous reset. Asynchronous reset that doesn't depend on the clock. In the assignment I am giving you now, it says synchronous reset. Read the assignment for today. Homework 2. Homework 2.
Professor, I have the waveform simulation whenever you'd like.
Just don't let me finish with this guy first.
No problem.
Homework 2, where will it be? Under assignment. It's not going to be here. It's going to be under assignment. Yes, open homework 2. Where's the 8-bit counter? Does it say the reset signal should synchronously reset? That means it is following the clock. It is not independent. So your program must delete the reset from the list. Do you understand why have we removed it? Hello? Are you hearing me, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Do you know why we removed it?
I believe it's because you wanted the clock to be independent of the reset. Is that correct?
No, I need the reset to be dependent on the clock.
All right.
Okay, synchronize with the clock. Now get back to the program.
Okay.
Now start looking for another error.
Mm. Can I ask why he left the reset in there, or did he delete it? Did I miss that?
Pardon me? He
I must have
deleted
missed
the reset.
Okay. I think I might have seen the mistake. All right.
What did you do?
There, I was missing a underslash for the logic unsigned.
Okay. I have never thought about this. I didn't look over there. I've been looking down.
90% of this work is double checking that I typed everything in correctly and syntax.
Okay. That
Thanks,
is
sir.
good news.
All right, let me save this before I go insane.
It does. It did. It did. Don't worry.
Okay.
Before it goes into compilation, it's going to save it automatically. Now I need you to go and work on the waveform generator. Now, Vitali, would you show us what you have?
Yes, my pleasure, Professor. Okay, here we go. So I
Excellent.
just, yes, clock. I created my reset over here, and you can see when it goes to 0.
Yep, very good. Excellent.
Well, thank
Now
you,
you
Professor.
can go back to work on the up, down.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. Hello, Jim.
Yes,
Any luck?
no, still not counting, and I don't see why.
Show me the program one more time.
Actually good, dude.
Can anyone see the error?
You have a double parenthesis around the clock for rising edge. An extra parenthesis. And I
Well-
don't see it closed. Oh, you got it. My bad. I'll shut up.
It's just the counter that's not working, and I don't see why.
Professor Ballard, where you have signal and then counter with the semicolon, try adding a space to the standard logic vector.
Where is that?
You see
What line?
right under, okay, line 22, where it says signal, counter, semicolon, try adding a space right after the semicolon. Line 22,
Line 22.
yes, that one, yes. So add a space right after the semicolon.
It compiles and everything. It's not an error like that. It's a logic error down here. And my counter is not, something's wrong with my counter here.
The standard logic, the signal shouldn't be initialized to zeros.
Actually, I think I see it. Line 28, it says if reset equals. Oh, actually, never mind. Sorry, you do have both single apostrophes. Sorry.
Now I speak about line 22. Don't we need to set this counter to 0 first?
Yes, Professor, you're right. Okay, so Professor Ballard, right after the semicolon.
Before the semicolon?
Actually, yes, before. Add a space.
Colon equal,
Yes,
then
colon.
double quote, and 8 zeros.
Exactly.
Say that again. Do what?
Colon equal sign. Go backspace, equal, yes, between double quotes, 8 zeros. Now compile again. Now start editing again. Edit the waveform, generate a waveform from the beginning.
Very nice.
Now I need to start a new waveform generator.
Do a whole new one.
Yes, brand new one. Before we finish, I want you to work on the 16-bit up-down counter. So the way to do it, first, modify your program, make it 16. The 8-bit, make it 16. When you are happy with it, then you start thinking about the up-down counter. Up-down counter, it means that I need another if statement. If my selection or up-down, whatever you call it, is high, I will count up. Else, I will count down. Count down means instead of counter equal counter plus 1, it will be counter plus equals counter minus 1. Okay? So it should be very simple modification.
Do we usually include the down count when it is active high?
It doesn't matter. It is up to you.
So like I could say if up down equals 1, then counter equals counter minus 1.
Whatever you like.
Okay, thank you. I'll try
I
that.
need to see that it is counting up and down. Upon which signal, high or low, it doesn't matter. One will be the inverse of the other.
Hey, Professor, can you show me the waveform? Can you walk me through it?
Okay. Haven't you seen Jim doing it? Go ahead, please. We have 2 minutes. Edit. Great side. This make it 1200 nanosecond. No, this end time 1200. When time 1200. Okay, grid size 100. Node finder. Edit. Insert. Select all.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Now go to the clock. Left. And select C. No. Leave it. Hit. Go to C.
Oh, yep. My
Yes.
bad.
100. Go to the, no, you can't control the count. This is the output. Go to reset. 800. What is this? Oh, this is mine.
All right.
Done. Simulation.
Thank you. Functions.
The same name. Can you see? 0, 0,
Okay.
1,
That's really cool.
2, 3, 4. Thank you.
Roger Dodger. Appreciate it.
Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.